Oatmeal! Did you know that it does not always come in those pre-packaged sugar-filled containers? Hey everyone, welcome to Everyday Vegan Gourmet. I am Julie and today I'm going to show you how I made breakfast this morning for a really healthy and simple berry and nut filled oatmeal. Because oats are really good for baby development when you're pregnant, so I've been eating a lot of oats recently, and this is how I made this morning's breakfast. So, you just need oats, your choice, quick oats or rolled oats. I always use rolled oats, so I just put in some of those, and then chia seeds. You want, just like your flax meal, you want to make sure you grind it up into a meal, this way your body can digest it more. So chia seed meal and then flax meal is what just went in there. And now what's going in there is cinnamon and then some peanut butter protein powder. You can use regular protein powder of your choice, but today I wanted to make my oatmeal peanut buttery, and now I'm just adding in some Truvia cane sugar mix, getting it on the counter, yep. But yeah, Truvia cane sugar mix has a lot less sugar than regular sugar and has like 10 calories per teaspoon, so I like to use that for my sweetener. And just stir everything together, get it well combined before you add in some boiling hot tea kettle water. Stir it all up together, get everything nice and well combined. If you need more water, then add in more water, but just make sure you don't add too much at one time, or else, you're gonna have to add more oats, or else you're gonna have oatmeal soup. So sometimes I like to add in jam into my oatmeal, and today I used balsamic fig butter. Stirred it all in there, get it nice and combined, and I like to sometimes add in milk, so I just added in some almond milk afterwards and got everything well combined, and yeah, it's pretty much how you make oatmeal. So now it's just time to add in some fresh cleaned blueberries, and I also use some fresh cleaned blackberries. I love the taste of fresh fruit in oatmeal. Can't get that in those little containers of pre-packaged sugar-filled oats. And just add your favorite nuts. I use pecans and walnuts. Walnuts are good because they have those omegas in there. And yeah, a nice, healthy, easy, quick breakfast that is really filling and should be able to keep you full until lunchtime. At least it does for me. Alright, hope you guys like this video. I'm Julie Rhinosaurus. This has been Everyday Vegan Gourmet, and I will see you tomorrow in the next quick little video. Hope you have a nice day. See you guys later. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all of those places if you're interested. Links down below. Bye.